Decided to drive my wife's car after a few months I haven't driven it. Noticed that the front end was shaking pretty badly. Now I know the rim here looks like crap, but it holds air pretty good. Actually pretty good and doesn't leak. And you can start seeing the tread there, it's not so bad. Now mind you, when I was driving it, I actually got off the highway and just checked the bolts to see if they were loose. But I couldn't really see the tread, didn't even bother looking at the tread, just thought maybe the tire was loose. And lo and behold, let's see if I lift this up. That's what's left of the tire tread. Now this side is the outside edge and that's the inside. I don't know if you can see, the tire has failed, I'm guessing. You can see the profile there, straight here, and it goes up over here, so maybe one of the cores failed. I don't know. Now, I haven't driven the car for a while, and of course, she doesn't tell me anything. She didn't think anything of it. And this must have been going on for a while for the tread to totally disappear. And in some spots, you can start seeing cord coming through. So, my warning is check your tires carefully. And if I seen this before I got on the highway, I wouldn't have driven it. But what's in the car, you see the tread, and I didn't really look beyond that. Notice it was all gone. So it must have been some kind of failure. And it wasn't an alignment problem. But as you can see, the profile here, it's low here and a nice bump over here. So just to let you guys know, you got some vibration going on, check the damn tire. And hopefully your wife will tell you that the car is shaking. Take it easy.